But, Lord, you know what you are doing when you allow the Spaniards to tell us about a God who goes down to save. You gave us the Bible. You gave us the Constitution. You showed that the Constitution's rights about every man being entitled to justice is a reflection of the fact that every person is made in the image of God. Walang palawenyo na pwedeng ibuli. Walang palawenyo na patapon. Walang palawenyo na walang kwenta. Lahat ay may purpose in life. Lahat may destiny si God para sa bawat buhay. Lahat kayo ay may ambag sa pamilya, sa lipunan nyo. Lahat kayo ay magbubuo ng bayang Pilipinas. Itatayo nyo ang bayang Pilipinas. At dahil unique na tayo, lalabas tayo sa buong mundo at tutulungan natin i-proclaim ang goodness ng ating Panginoong Diyos. Can you just imagine what we are being asked by God to do? Claim this country for Him. Claim it in the name of God and by the power of the fact that we are sovereign Filipino people. We will not be defeated because it is our right to claim this country for God. So, ito na lang po, no? Let me just show you a very brief image of what we at Bawat Isa Mahalaga were shown. It comes from... Sandali po, no? Okay. It comes from Isaiah 43:19. Ang sinasabi po ng Isaiah 43:19, hindi nyo ba nakikita? Meron na akong ginagawa. Bago. Gumagawa ako ng ilog sa tigang. Gumagawa ako ng daan sa ilang. Ibig sabihin, the Lord has been acting for all this time. At nung nakita ko, ito ang mga grupong lumapit sa akin. And what I saw in my spirit is a vision of the river of God being formed. To form a shalom nation, a just and humane nation. And He gave us a map. The 7 roads to transformation, the 7 R's. The continuing work in us because He has His workmanship. And then eventually, I realized that in Revelations, next slide please. In Ephesians, wait ba yan? Yeah, Revelation siguro yan. Mali siguro ito. Sinasabi na in the last days, the leaves of the tree are for the healing of the nation. There is a river that flows through the city of God. So, yung river of God brings life to trees that heal. And the Lord is forming a river for the nation. And this is my dream, no? Kasi I just have 17 seconds exactly. This is my vision that God has imparted. That this is how I read the next. Hindi yan Ephesians. Revelations 21 yan. 21, 22. Hanapin nyo na lang. Revelations 21 po yan. When the New Jerusalem comes down, ang sinasabi, by the light of God, si God mismo ang ating source of light in the New Jerusalem. By the light of God, the nations will walk, and the kings of the earth will bring their glory into it. Tingnan nyo The kings of the earth will bring their glory into it. Ayan, Revelations 21:24-26. So sinabi sa 24, yung mga rulers, yung mga leaders, siguro yung mga leaders nyo ng Pilipinas, na kasama ng Body of Christ, dadalhin nyo ang glory ng nation. There is a so-called element called the glory of the nations. And the gates will never be shut by day, and there will be no night there.